By subscriber request, we're going to cover the sounds of Y at the end of a word after a consonant. Remember that a consonant refers to all letters except A, E, I, O, and U. Y is a consonant when it has the sound of Y, and it's a vowel when it has the sounds of I, or E. At the end of a short word, meaning 2 or 3 letters long, after a consonant, a Y will have a long I sound, like in buy, my, cry, dry, fly, fry, ply, pry, sky, sly, spy, try. WH says w, y. This says sh, shy. If the word is longer, meaning 4 letters or more, it will have a long E most of the time, like in ugly, envy, pity, body, bunny, copy, baggy, belly, candy, daddy. AR says R, army. This C will say S because of the I, city. All of these underlined vowels will have their long sound. Baby, navy, lady, lazy, hazy, lady, wary, wavy, tiny, tidy, only, holy, pony, cozy, ruby, fury, duly. This E will have the long A sound. This is very. This spelling of very means to a large degree. Examples are, that is a very tall man. That is a very expensive car. This word vary means to change, like the weather varies by the time of year. Or how much money I have left in my wallet varies based on how much I have spent. Y at the end of a word can be used as a suffix. Here we have the roots. We've started with the word bone. We can add the letter Y and it becomes bony. Notice that it keeps the long O sound that it had, even though we dropped the E when we added the Y. Here is the root lace, where the C has the soft sound of S because of the E. So we have lace, we add a Y, and it becomes lacy. Here we have boss. It doesn't end in an E, so we can just add the Y. Bossy. Here we have bump. We can add the Y, and it becomes bumpy. The suffix ly added to the end of a root tells how something is done or says it has the quality of something. So if somebody is walking in a way that shows they are sad, we could say they are walking sadly. So we start with the root sad and we add the suffix ly, sadly. OW in this word has the long O sound. So here is slow. If somebody is working in a manner that is slow, we say they are working slowly. Remember that Q and U together say qu, so we have quick. If somebody is working in a way that shows they are quick, they are working quickly. Here we have the root care plus the suffix full, so careful. If somebody is doing a careful job, he is working carefully. Here we have mad plus ly, madly. Odd plus ly, oddly. EW says oo, new plus ly, newly. The rest of this lesson is optional. There are a few words where Y at the end after a consonant has a long I sound. This is not very common, so most of the time try the long E sound. Here are some of the most common words where Y has the long I sound. Deny, defy, reply, and rely. It's very common to have a Y at the end of a name, like in Amy. This C will have its soft sound of S because of the Y. Lucy, Lily, and Katie. Here are some men's names: Toby, Sandy, and Tony. The most common place that you see Y at the end of a name is at the end of a nickname. These are nicknames that are usually used for boys. Sometimes as they grow up, they keep it, but normally grown men don't use nicknames ending in Y. Tommy, Billy, Timmy, Jimmy, Sammy, Willie, Tommy, Bobby, Freddie, Kenny, Ricky, and Robbie. If you have any questions, feel free to post them in the comments section, and I may answer them in a future subscriber Q&A video. If you found this useful, please share it with others on X, Facebook, and WhatsApp.